Hey guys, welcome back. So yes, we're back on the trail with the FC Models F1. And yeah, we had a bit of a hiccup last time we was on the trail, and I put that down to a small capacity battery combined with the 260 motor that this thing comes with. So I've recently upgraded to a bigger battery. Simple mod. Swap the battery lead over, to cater for the generic batteries that we use. I'll put the video up here for you guys if you want to watch that, how I did that. So yeah, we've got a nice big 1200 milliamp hour battery now, and yeah, we're going to try and get to that last tree line today. Conditions are really wet and slippery today, so this is going to put this little thing to the test. So yeah, without talking, let's hit the trail. I did say this thing has got lots of cool features and all the right ingredients to make a pretty decent little trail track. So it comes with a 260 motor, fully proportional 5-wire servo, and the nice little light kit, and the controller comes with throttle dual rates and steering trim throttle trims. There's not a bad little modulation on it either. I think we could do with some grippier tyres. I'll chuck this straight in at the deep end. Just try not to go too deep. There we go, that line should take me through. So as you've seen in my last video, I had this out on the trail. It didn't look like it was going to climb anything, it didn't have the power, but as we can see here, plenty of power. It's just down to grip. Come on, little FC. Try a bit of wheel speed. Yeah, we really need some grippier tyres. Wheel speed for the win. And I think we're up. And we're up. It certainly looks the part out on the trail. They've done a really good job with the scale aesthetics. Opening doors, hood, and boot as well. The boot opens as well. It's a nice little feature. And already it feels like it's got a lot more power. I think what happened last time was that 500 milliamp hour battery, 10 minutes in, lost all its juice. So let's hope this bigger battery can get me all the way to the end of the trail here today. Wow, squeezing the throttle there, there's a bit of stall in there. Maybe some better electronics would help. Here we are at the rocky riverbed, and the incline on the other side looks extremely wet and slippery. I really have my doubts that it's going to make it over, or make it up, sorry. It is really wet and greasy. I'll try a bit of wheel speed like I did with the last incline. Plenty of power there, and there was electronics. The wheels are turning, but they're just not putting down any grip. Come on, you know you want a little FC. Proper making little tyre marks here, it is. So I think if you're looking at getting one of these for yourselves, the battery upgrade and the battery mod is a must. And I think we're going to have to get some grippier tyres as well, some softer tyres maybe, but this would test any truck in these conditions. I'm going to have to use the hand of God, sorry guys. See you on the other side. Yeah, I don't like using the hand of God, but sometimes you just got to. Definitely need some softer tyres in there, but that's a nice cheap easy upgrade. It comes with the standard 5mm hex that we see with our WPL and MN trucks. Overall, so far, apart from that grip issue, I'm very happy with the performance so far. It's not a bad little trail track at all. Once we get past this section, we'll be onto the section where we lost power last time, so this will be a real indication, sorry, of whether it's the case the battery losing its power or not. So here we are, the section where we lost power and couldn't climb anything. If we get past here, then my battery upgrade modification was a success. I spoke too soon, stalled out there on the leaves. Come on. Oh no, not again. Plenty of wheel speed, still plenty of power. Hey, and we've made it. We're officially further than we was before. Tricky tree line. So I have noticed that yes, the power's lasting a little bit longer, but as you can see, I got my throttle pin there. These electronics still don't quite cut it, in my opinion. There's still some stalling happening. Throttle modulation is really nice, but they just need to work on a bit more draw current, maybe going to the motor. But that's easily upgradable with the 20 amp ESC or some electronics from the BFY003-1, because they're probably the best rate to run electronics on the market at the moment. With that said though, it's coping really well. Well, I'm going to have to take the outside line here through the bog. Out of my way, tree. See what I mean by stalling out? It's a fully charged 1200 milliamp hour battery, so it's nothing to do with the amount of juice I've got in the tank today. Throttle pinned, and yeah, it just keeps stalling out, so definitely could do with some better electronics. Once you get that wheel speed up, it tends to keep it, but for that slow control modulation, when the going gets tough, this thing's really struggling. And up the hill, very nice. The final tree line, and this is going to be a test of grip on the tyres, and also these electronics giving draw current. Throttle pin there, stalled out. There we go. Once that wheel speed kicks in then, but these could do with definitely having better electronics. As you can see, the throttle pin there, see it's stalling up, and I can't blame the battery this time round, guys, like I did last time, because we've got a new bigger battery in there, and it's still not performing the best, to say the least. No grip there on them tyres. That front tyre's not pulling me up. And it's a really tricky line. I really want to make it through, so I said we've made it, but let me try a different line here. I think we get more draw current going to the motor if we didn't have a whole light show going on. We've got rear lights, front lights, indicators, and they probably sapping some of the power. Yep, that's throttle pin there, guys. So FC models, if you're watching, you've got a really nice platform here, guys. Definitely revisit your electronics, but put something a little bit more robust in there, because these really ain't cutting it for real life trail scenarios. And I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm not going to stay here all day trying to get up there when I physically can't. But yeah, take the good with the bad. The battery upgrade definitely helped prolong the amount of time we were out on the trail. We got a lot further than we did last time. But yeah, those electronics still not cutting it. But just look at this truck. What a gorgeous looking truck. They went all out on the looks. Just those electronics laying you down. Cheers for watching, guys. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. New content every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll catch you on the next one.